Look at him.
I want to catch it so bad.
He's so cool.
That's a fat snake.
He's huge.
I know, I want to catch him. Can I catch him?
What are we going to do? He's not poisoned. Look at his head. What are we going to do with him?
Take him home.
He's going to be mean like the other snake.
So?
He's going to bite
I
you.
want him. Let's get him.
We might need to get him.
Huh?
He's big.
I know.
Oh, he's so cool. Oh, he's so cool. All right, I got him. All right. This fool. Let's catch the snake. Oh. Where'd he go?
Right here. He's all balled up.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's come at him with a stick. He looks real happy. He's real mad. He's like the black snake at home.
I know. This is what they all do. They all cock up.
He's mad at you.
Bite it, puppy.
Don't. Stop. Don't make him mad. Just pick him up. Do you want me to pick him up? Yo, he's so big. Here he comes. Hi, buddy. If he bites me. Oh, you got him. Do you know how to hold him? Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, y'all gonna catch him?
Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Don't hurt him, no.
I'm not.
Oh, he's so cool. He is huge. You got him?
He's trying to get loose. I got him.
Okay. Oh, he's so cool. Is he peeing on you?
No.
Oh.
He's as big as hell.
Hi.
It looks poisonous.
He's not.
He has a triangle head.
Well, I don't know. Maybe.
He's rattling
His
now.
eyes are round. I don't think he's poisoned.
Look at
If
him.
he is, then we just picked up a poisoned snake.
Look at his tail. Look at his head. It's rattling.
Well, he's mad. The black snake does that too.
This definitely might be poisonous.
Well, we can look it up later.
Are we taking him home?
No, we can't take him home. He would eat the other snake. Hi. Oh, yes. Hi. No one's going to hurt you. We just wanted to play with you. You're so big.
Look at him.
Yeah. He does have a triangle head.
Yeah, I'm saying.
I don't know, Jaden. He might be poisoned.
I'm holding him. What am I supposed to do with this?
I don't know.
It's a male.
Oh, the tail.
By tail.
He's so big. I mean, look at
Definitely has
this.
a triangle head.
Yeah, maybe don't let him bite. Either one of them.
I got him.
I don't know. I wonder what he is.
Should I?
Yeah, I mean, don't steal, don't throw him. Ah, don't come to me. He's so cool. Aw,
Oh, I should have got a picture of me holding him.
I got a video of you
No,
holding
I
him.
want a picture of me holding him. Watch out. You got catching it.
Yeah, you did. I don't know what kind of snake you are, but bye. Look how big.
He's on the front by the bolt.
Oh, he's going down. Yeah, there he is. There's a big gecko over here. Well, a knoll. A green anole. But it's a big one. And he's like way down there. But you can't see him. He's really cool. He's a big one. I haven't seen one as big as him in a while. He's big. He's cute. And he's too far away to catch. How is it that you always get so far ahead of me? Yes, but you walk so much faster. Listen, I'm out of shape. So we saw, what was it, a black racer? Snakes. Yeah. So he saw two snakes. I didn't see the second one. And we're just walking and looking. Oh, you know, he was cool. All right. Just check it in. Bye. Where'd he go? Oh, he's cool. He's like blue. There's another one over here. He's looking for that one. I think we disturbed them. They were on a date. That was so cool though. They took off over here. That was so cool. Okay. Later.